welcome back to the Are We There Yet channel. Today we are once again coming from the Ford F-150 FX4, and today we have a co-pilot, which is the Girl Scouts of America Thin Mint Cookie. This is my co-pilot. Yes, once again, these little crack dealers are out there in front of supermarkets dealing their wares. Please support them, buy some cookies. I also have my Rockstar. Rockstar has not yet reached out to me to sponsor me. Rockstar, if you would like to sponsor this channel, please reach out to me. I would be happy to receive your sponsorship. Now, getting down to it, those of you who will have followed the channel have probably watched and studied my previous video on how to open a car hood. That's right, how to open a car hood. Well, as you know from the thumbnail, this is the natural segue into that. The natural segue is, what do you do once you have the hood open? Once the hood is up, the natural next step is to check the oil. Now, checking the oil is a standard maintenance procedure that if you own a vehicle, you gotta know how to do. This special video that I have for you today, which includes a special guest who you'll see when we start the video, we will teach you how to check the oil while you're on a road trip. This is important if you're driving many, many miles away from home. This is important if you're driving a vehicle with high mileage. This is important if you are about to drive your video into Death Valley. Yes, you need to check the oil. You do not want to break down. This video takes place while on road trip. Last November, we were going to Death Valley, and we stopped at a little gas station in Barstow. So during the road trip, on the way to Death Valley, in the town of Barstow, which for all of those of you who know California, you understand that Barstow is really the armpit of the state. And I'm sorry for all of my viewers from Barstow, but you know that is true. The only thing good about Barstow is they have a Tommy's original hamburger. You can get the cheeseburger, the double chili cheeseburger, the chili cheese fries, and if Tommy's wants to sponsor this channel, you can certainly do that. So we checked the oil in the car, and we had the cameras rolling just for you. This is a mini tutorial. For those of you who own automobiles, you should be able to check the oil. For those of you who are taking road trips, you should be able to check the oil. And here is how you do it. First, watch the video or review the video on how to open a hood, and this is going to pick up from there. So here we go, cut to it. Looks like we're in sort of in Barstow. Can't quite tell yet. All right. All right, here we are in Barstow. Get some gas. Ouch. Looks like they're freaking taking us here. Damn. Yes, indeed.
She needs a little love and maintenance.
Yes. What year is this?
2010.
This is the 2010 Subaru. Gonna check the oil. This is a separate how-to video, but this is a bonus feature for everybody watching. He's pulling the dipstick, and watch how he cleans it off. Cleaning it off, making sure it's clean, there's no residue, and he's gonna stick it back down in there. All right, watchers, here we go. All right, he's gonna pull it back out, and he's gonna check the level, and the level is, looks fine to me. All right, folks, there you have it.
Good.
This is a bonus how-to with Mark Wagman. Checking the oil. All right, gives it the thumbs up.